Episode 7 has us living and loving Lillooet BC, and we're going to bring you for some unforgettable Gold Country Geotour exploits, loaded with amazing adventures. If you enjoy this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with your friends. Make sure you watch to the end and don't miss an amazing secret location we discovered through our geocaching journeys and some other surprises as we were living Lillooet BC. Lillooet is the westernmost Gold Country community and can be accessed from Vancouver by either Highway 99 past Whistler or take Highway 1 through Hope and Lytton. Our first stop was past the town of Lillooet, up at the Horseshoe Bend Trail, where we went searching for our first Gold Country Geotour cache of this adventure.
So we had an unplanned water crossing. Sometimes this happens. Fortunately, it's just the right depth, and it feels real good on a hot day. I hear an ammo can. I see an ammo can. Again. Geocache. Hey guys, we are out in Gold Country, finding some geocaches, having a great time. We just found the Horseshoe Bend Geotour cache, and you gotta work for this one. We're nearly all the way back up to the truck, and as we looked over down at the river, Mrs. Monkey pointed out, hey look, there's an old shack. Maybe an old miner's cabin? Not sure, but that's pretty cool.
From here we headed further north to the Lake Lemaire wreck site to hike out to Burkholder Lake in search of another Gold Country Geotour cache. You're able to see the change in the environment as we move up and out of the valley area. And after briefly enjoying the lake and empty wreck site, we hit the trail to make the hike in to Burkholder Lake, keeping our eyes wide open for wildlife all along the way.
On our way into Burkholder Lake, the first couple hundred meters of the trail, we're up, so that you can get up onto this ridge that we're on now, which is going to take us probably a couple kilometers till we go back down the other side of the ridge to Burkholder Lake, where the Gold Country Geotour cache that we're looking for is located. So let's enjoy the views and keep heading onwards.
This is by no means a hike for the faint of heart, with a significant up section right off the start, and fortunately, by doing the hike in June, we had allowed ourselves ample daylight for the 6-kilometer hike with well over 200 meters elevation gain. I'm going to ask you to please not tell her there was a bridge. But we made it up here, and now to find the cache for that sweet reward at the end of a big hike.
Yeah. Well, and I see the water of the lake. Yay. Nice. All right. Made it to Burkholder Lake. Wow, there's a lot of fish in this lake. You can see them all rising right there. Look at that. In fact, you can see them jumping. Look at all those trout. So if you come up here, bring your fishing gear, there's dinner. Well, according to the coordinates and the hint, this should be ground zero. There's some camo. Very unusual pile of logs and sticks, but no ammo can, nothing. But it's possible we've hiked all the way up here for nothing. So, well, I shouldn't say for nothing, but not for a Gold Country cache. And mosquitoes are pretty bad, so we're probably going to wrap it up. We'll expand our search a little bit just in case. A little disappointing. Sometimes there's DNFs, and that's one heck of a hike we're going to have to do again sometime. Okay, see what we can do. Well, we're getting eaten by mosquitoes. We've expanded our search radius. About 20 minutes of searching, nothing. So we're going to have to call this one a DNF, which sucks because that is quite the hike up here, but sometimes that's the way it goes. So we'll hike our way back to the truck before we call it a night in Lillooet and then tackle some more adventures tomorrow morning.
Well, sometimes things don't work out as planned, but we still got to experience another fantastic location thanks to the Gold Country Geotour. So it was a downhill trek and then back to Lillooet for dinner, a rest, and a new adventure the next day.
All right, well, it's the morning of day 2 up here in Lillooet. In fact, that's Lillooet down there. We've already got a good start on our hike for today. We're going to go find the red Rocks Geocache, which we're hoping is there after yesterday's disappointment, but we're going to head up. We're going to find that cache. There's a couple others along the trail. So let's start off this part of our geocaching adventure. Point out that I actually found this one.
Want me to pull it out for you?
Yeah. There we go. Yay. There's a lot of names in this log. This has been out for a long time. It's in really good shape. That is very clean. So it's either been maintained or has an awesome hiding spot. So good job, CO. Well guys, this has been a lot of work getting up here. The ravens are joining us. That was pretty cool, eh? Here's our view that we've earned. And there's the town of Lillooet down below us. More ravens. Wonder if they know something we don't. And there's our geocache.
And with all 6 caches found up Red Rock in behind Lillooet, it was time for us to head back down and seek out another cool hidden spot to share with you. But first, a few moments to take in that view and enjoy some awesome local art as well.
Hey guys, we are on the last leg of a multi-cache. We're headed to the final. We are in the Gold Country area of British Columbia. And this, we just came around the corner and saw this. Had no idea what to expect. This is pretty cool. So we'll be going through this old rail tunnel. It's a part of the old Kettle Valley rail system that used to run through southwest British Columbia. So let's go see if we can find a geocache. That's pretty cool though. That's what you do not want to have happen. This is Monkey made to find. Oh wow.
That's the
It's an old container.
broken side of the
Yep. All right.
container.
So that was a cool adventure. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us for that. We're just going to head back up, back to the truck, and continue on our journey home through Gold Country.
And after making our way back to the truck, it was only moments later along our drive, we happened across these guys. You never know what you'll discover when you explore Gold Country and are living Lillooet. Well, thanks for joining us for another adventure through the undiscovered Northwest. If you enjoyed the episode, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. And don't miss our next exciting adventure when we head south to check out the mystery and creativity of the Valley Cities Geotour.